Hi guys, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to make karaoke videos with MyKaraoke video. So this is a really great tool for anyone who just loves singing, loves having karaoke nights. It's a great way to elevate your karaoke night, and it's simple, it's easy, and it's really great to use. So let's jump in. Okay, so first when you um, sign up, log into your account, you want to go to the right corner, top right corner, and click your name, and then click create. And then there's two options. You can import a song from with vocals or from an instrumental file. So for this one, I am doing create from a song. And so then you're going to upload your audio file that you want to use. So I just did one today, and it was Shanty Dope City Girl. So let's click that, open it up. So next, once it loads, you want to go ahead and search for the lyrics of your song. Let's see, Shanty Dope lyrics. And you're just gonna paste it just down here where it says in the lyrics box. And sometimes when you paste the lyrics, it might have like unnecessary wording in there. So what I like to do is I just delete it. So copy the rest of your lyrics. Okay, looks like we are good. So now what you want to do is artist, Shanty Dope, and the song, City Girl. And then you want to click generate. So sometimes this takes like a minute or two, or sometimes it takes a little bit longer, I think just depending on the song. Okay, it looks like it is done. Okay, so this is the screen after your video generates. So this is like your main working window. And so the first thing that you want to do, you want to make sure all of the lyrics sync. So you want to go to this left toolbar and you want to go to lyrics. And then you want to click Sync Editor. Okay, so this is your Sync Editor window, and this is essentially where you just make sure all the lyrics are syncing good, you know, the music in the background is syncing good. Okay, so let me go ahead and play the song and show you guys. And so you see like these little, like this little purple stuff on the bottom. This is called your wavelength, and you want to make sure that the lyrics match up to the wavelengths. So you see like this one, for example, this first lyric, you want to make sure that wherever the audio is, like the wavelength, whether it starts from like here and ends here, you want to make sure that it is the same like length. So it looks like this lyric doesn't start until like all the way up here. So you can drag the other words and like shorten them, you can make them longer. So it looks like it starts like from about here. And so if a song is like fast, kind of like this one, and you see all like the words are jumbled up together. So a really nice tool about this karaoke technology is you can click on the word and you can find it up here, and you can reset this line sync. So resetting the line sync actually takes out this whole like line, and you can insert it wherever you need to insert it. So it's great because if the words are not lining up, you can take it out and re-put it back in. See, and this is really nice too, is that you can set the start time, you can edit the line text, so you can actually delete words. And then you can actually remove the line if you want. So there's a lot of nice things in this sync window that you can do. And so essentially what you keep doing is you keep playing and just make sure everything's like in sync. And so there's been like several times where like a bunch of songs are like fast and the words are like jumbled up, kind of what I was saying back there. What I've done in the past is I go all the way to the very end. So you can use this bottom like scroll bar, and you go to the very end of the song and you just click reset line sync. Reset line sync, and it just takes all of the essentially like the lyrics out, and then you can start from the very beginning, and then just wherever the song starts you can just insert, you know, at the time that it needs to be inserted. And so that's pretty much what the sync editor is. It's very straightforward, very user friendly, you know, to use. Didn't take me very long to understand how to use this at all. And so once you're done, like once you're done editing the song, everything, you know, lines up really good, you click save. And then you click the X at the top of the page. Okay, so now that you are done with the sync editor, what you want to do is you want to click Advanced Editor down here. And so this is the left toolbar over here is where you're going to be doing all your editing as far as like the video itself. So there's been some times where I've actually downloaded songs from YouTube and the picture or the images and pictures that are in the video have actually imported into my karaoke video. And if that happens, you are generally going to have like a bar down here that is blue. It'll be in the color blue, so you click it and then it'll say opacity over here in the left, and you just click 0 for opacity to omit those images or to omit whatever you're seeing in the video that you downloaded. But in this case, that did not happen, so that is a good thing. Okay, so first, what you want to do is you want to go to audio tracks, and you want to extract any backing vocals, like if there's any backing vocals in your song, you want to extract those. And then for the beginning of the song, and I've already generated these, but I like to insert like my brand, so mine is Vocal Muse Karaoke, just like as a little, introduction, like who the channel is, and yeah, kind of like my logo. And then just kind of click around just to kind of make sure all the lyrics are on the screens. And then I like to find the end of the lyrics. Let's see, you can actually shorten the song if you want. Okay, looks like here is the end of the lyrics. And so you see how you have all this extra space that's kind of unnecessary? So what you can do is you can actually trim the song. You can bring it down. But I'm going to leave a little bit of space because I am going to insert another image. And this image is just a little screen that says like and subscribe to see more of your favorite songs. Just kind of like an ending screen. And then I like to add one more to promote my Instagram page. There we go. So we have the beginning screens and the ending screens. Okay, let's go back to the audio tracks. So it looks like the backing vocals is done. So now if you want to play the song and you want to see if everything, looks good, you can make the pitch however, whatever pitch you want it, and then you can just play it. But before I listen to it, I like to click, left click, and then on this gray bar it says song and lyrics. And I like to just edit this. So layout, I like to make sure the layout is correct. So, obviously we're doing karaoke, so, and then however many lines per screen you want, I generally like to do 3 lines. And then for the height, so this one's, let's see. So this is the height of like your lyrics, whether you want the lyrics to go all the way up or you want them to like kind of be more like in the middle of the screen. Here, I'll kind of show you guys. I generally do it at like 75%. The reason being I do it at 75 because I do a timer in my videos, so the timer generally shows up here. And I don't want the timer and the lyrics to overlap. And then timers and lead-ins, I like to show a 5-second countdown. And then those are the main ones that I use, but you can obviously use other little filters down here. Okay, looks like everything is good. So then play your song from the very beginning, just to make sure. This is just an example, so obviously it's not going to be in sync, but just make sure when you check everything, just make sure you have the backing vocals and the lead vocals on so that when the person is singing, it's matching up to each word. But obviously for this one, it's not going to because I already did this song. Then you just go through it, just make sure that the vocals are lining up with the lyrics. And so then that's pretty much it. And then you just save it. Be sure to save, and then you can export it. So click save, and then export. So for the export, I normally do high quality, and I do 1080p. So then you click export. And this takes a little bit of time. Usually it's quick, but sometimes it can take like a couple minutes. Okay, so it looks like your video is now ready, and you just click download, and then you're ready to upload it to whatever platform that you're using. So I hope you guys enjoyed this how to create karaoke videos on MyKaraoke. It is a really great tool if you want to elevate your karaoke nights or you want to start making your own karaoke videos. It's such a great tool. It's probably one of the easiest that I've learned. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Click the link in the description to get started and register. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, bye.